This segment is sponsored by Renewal by Andersen.
Renewal by Andersen is excited to support If You Give a Child a Book, promoting childhood literacy and learning. Joining us this morning with more information is Shannon Siriano, Marketing Manager with Renewal by Andersen. Thank you so much for being here.
Thank you for having me.
So why is childhood literacy one of those causes that Renewal by Andersen is so passionate about?
Well, at Renewal by Andersen, we look for every opportunity to give back to the community, and supporting childhood literacy contributes to the community for years to come by setting students up for a more successful future.
You were involved last year, and we so appreciate your support here at CBS 6. What did you learn from that to make this year even bigger and better?
Sure. Well, seeing the excitement on the students' faces when we went to J.B. Fisher Elementary School last year was enough to make us want to do it again. We know from the feedback from both the staff at J.B. Fisher and the staff here at CBS 6 that the children love this program because they get to pick their own books. So they're choosing stories that resonate with them and characters that they see themselves in. This is absolutely something we want to support.
Renewal by Andersen is always looking for ways to give back, show support to members of the community, from children to much older. What are some of the other initiatives that you have in addition to If You Give a Child a Book?
Sure. In just this last year, we participate with the Salvation Army for their Angel Tree program. We participate in United Against Cancer, which is an initiative that supports the American Cancer Society. And we also have our Employee Check program, where our team members get to pick a charity of their choice to contribute a donation from company funds. We have a passionate group of people that really love to give their time and participate in volunteer efforts, from picking up litter to packing meals at food banks.
Well, we love having you as a partner this year for If You Give a Child a Book. Thank you for coming in today to talk about it and some of your other work that you're doing here in the community.
Thank you.
Renewal by Andersen is located at 3895 Deep Rock Road in Henrico. For more information, give them a call at 804-352-3737 or visit VAwindowreplacement.com. Of course, we appreciate the 500 books that Renewal by Andersen is donating to the cause, but we also need your help out there. Donate today to this incredible cause. You could visit WTVR.com/giveabook or text WTVR to this number 50155. And stay with us. We have more Virginia This Morning after the break.